We're damp right now on the ground.
Right.
We've had some rounds of rain, but for fire, yeah, you need dry vegetation. That's number one, which a lot of it is because a lot of it's dead and dormant, right? But then you also need really low dew points or dry air, low relative humidity, and gusty winds. That's the cocktail that really contributes. So hopefully things quiet down there. There is some rain moving through a lot of the Northeast right now. We're going to cash in on a little more, hence the tie, partner. See the umbrellas?
Very nice. Nice touch.
Yeah. Whenever it rains, you know.
I'll keep my eyes out.
Yeah, now you know. I've also got a little lightning bolt pin because there's a chance for a few lightning strikes tonight with the activity rolling through. So it's close to freezing right now up into the highlands and the county, low 40s to the south, and the radar is clean for now. Skies are overcast. I'm going to pull it out to the west because these are the showers and thunderstorms that will be working our way. I will say that this cluster of storms is beefier. There have been strong to severe thunderstorms rolling through New York with that batch of rain, and that again is going to be coming our way, but it will not have as much giddy up by the time it gets here because it's going to be coming into a much different air mass, much colder, less energy, low 40s again right now. And look at the difference between Hartford and Boston. That's 85 miles as the crow flies. You're talking 30 plus degrees difference because of this front. So overnight, again, some showers rolled through near the coast. That transition zone will likely be close to Route 2 through Bangor and Calais. North of that, you get into the wintry mix and then snow up into the highlands and the county. This is all done by tomorrow morning at sunrise. And tomorrow's fairly quiet, partly to mostly cloudy skies, 40s and 50s. Thursday is also trending quieter. This high sets up north of Maine. That stunts the eastward progression of this system, so it slows it down, and we won't get into this precip chance until Thursday night or Friday. And this also looks like rain for most with the transition to the north of perhaps a wintry mix. That one then crosses over on Friday night. Saturday looks quieter, and then this is the Easter Sunday system. And I will say that at this point, it's Tuesday. This isn't until Sunday. There's going to be some timing wrinkles to iron out. This model wants to hold the front back to the west for a good chunk of the day, and that would mean a somewhat mild and rain-free outlook. But there are some other models that want to bring this a little quicker, and that would bring in rain to more of the state. So right now we're going to call for some passing rain showers, temperatures in the 50s on Sunday, but that is subject to change. Not the rain chance, because I do think that happens, but the timing of said rain on Sunday is, again, going to need to be ironed out a little bit over the coming days. Seas at 3 to 6 feet tomorrow, variable winds 10 to 15 knots. And it's, I think today's outlook looks a little more promising than it did yesterday. 40s and 50s for the most part. We catch that second system coming through here Thursday night and into Friday morning. Saturday looks quieter. And then Easter Sunday, rain is in play right now, but it's plausible that that front holds off long enough to where you get all of your Easter egg hunting in Saturday or Sunday in the afternoon. It's plausible that happens, but
we've got time to figure it out.
There's wrinkles, and it's not a slam dunk yet. So we'll continue to update.
I'm sure people will be very interested. Thanks,
yes,
Alan.
Me too.